How to make a blend on Spotify. First of all, open up the Spotify application from your phone. Then, once you're in, you need to tap on the option that says Create over here. Then, you will get two options. From the available options, go ahead and tap on the one that says Blend. Then, you can invite friends to blend. Tap the Invite button. Then, by using these applications right here, you can also share it via social media and other media sharing platforms. Once you invite your friends to have a shared playlist, it will ensure social recommendations based on your music tastes. So, go ahead and use the Spotify Blend feature in order to discover new music, catch up with your friends, and make listening sessions more enjoyable. By following this guideline, you can easily create a blend in Spotify.